Ready.
Hey guys, this is Chandler Dagget with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and today I'm going to show you the new NauticStar 28XS. This boat is powered by twin 300 Yamahas, and I got to tell you, I've been on it. It's fun. It's a fast boat. We're here at Lake of the Ozarks where it's been known to get a little rough, and this boat can handle it. Let me show you. I'm going to walk you really quickly through the boat and invite you to come down and take a test drive so you can see for yourself. But it's a cool boat with a lot of cool features. Here, I don't know that we use a ton of this here at Lake of the Ozarks, but this is an insulated fish box here in the back. Then you've got jump seat here. Of course, we have another aerated live well there, another one in the back. It does come standard with the rod holders here and port side. So we've got starboard and port side rod holders. And as we step up to the helm, we've got a 12-inch Simrad touchscreen, bolster seats. So most of the time when I drive the boat, I usually just stand because it's a lot of fun to drive like this. Great visibility here at the helm. Great grab handles if you're out there on a rough Saturday here at the lake. Center consoles are really becoming popular here at Lake of the Ozarks, and this thing will get with the 300 Yamahas, twin 300 Yamahas. This is a fun boat, and as we move forward, one of the nice things here at Lake of the Ozarks, you can still entertain. Look at the sun pad area. So it does come equipped with the bow filler cushions. So we've got a lot of area where we could entertain guests. Of course, we could put an anchor storage there. Back up. You're gonna have to cut this, Ben. I'm sorry. This thing's got windlass?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. God. All right. Can you splice it?
Oh yeah, Ben can edit.
I can actually move it. All right.
We're still moving. Or we're still taping.
We're still taping. God, he's gonna have so much fun with this. So, as you're entertaining here at Lake of the Ozarks, it does have the bow filler cushions, and it does have the windlass, which is perfect for our lake. Now, if you want a backrest, here on the side, both of those flip out. Got a grab handle here. We also have seating here, and right here where Kelly's at, we do have a head, and it's a great size head. You've got a lot of room for storage down in this as well. So if you're looking for a center console and price is a consideration, come check out the new NauticStar 28XS, powered with our twin 300 Yamahas. Feel free to give us a call, 573-365-5382, or as always, check us out online at www.marinemax.com.